Guys, welcome back to another new video, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to install iOS 14 on any Android device. And let's start. Please do watch the video till the end for the complete setup. And let's start now. And go to Play Store and search for iOS 14 launcher. And this is the launcher. I'll leave a link in the description below. Open it. Click Get Started and allow all permissions needed. There are the two themes to choose from, and I'll be choosing the first one as it is iOS devices. This is the final setup. We can see here only about the launcher. You can get the control panel as well as allow all notifications. And now how you can set up your widgets like iOS 14 and download the app called Overdrop. Here you can find different kinds of widgets which are similar to iOS 14. You can see here different kinds of widgets. Now go to Home button and long press on the home screen. Go to Widgets option and select third of the Overdrop and select your widget, and it displays directly on your home screen. In this you can also edit your widgets as well. You can edit the size and the position like that. Now I'll be showing you how you can set up your pin. Go to iOS settings and drag down. You can see here lock screen. Tap on that and you can see three security options: pin, pattern and fingerprint. Now I'll be choosing pin. Set your own pin and click done here. No, see, it looks like same as iOS. Enter your pin and you can use your phone now. This is how it looks like with final customized settings. That's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.